Now let us see that this layouts. Okay. Already some of the layouts I am discussed in the program. The same thing that I am going to show in the slides. Okay. The normal flow is there, positioning elements are there, floating elements are going to be there. Okay. So then constructing multi-column layouts. Okay. More than one column layouts are going to be present. Then approaches to this layout, responsive design frameworks. So these things are going to be discussed in this particular advanced CSS. Okay. Now you see what is layout basically. There are different layouts are going to be there. There is a fixed layout, which is going to be the width and specifications are going to be ideal, and they will be going to specify, and hence that is going to be called as fixed layout. Okay. And advantage of this is it is not going to move here and there. It is a fixed layout. Okay. Then here is the example for that fixed layout. You can see this is called as layout. Header is there. Columns are good. 3 columns are there. Okay. Specifications. Now with this particular program, space is going to get provided here. Okay. More spaces can be provided here. So you can write the division wrapper class where you'll be going to have the width. Will be specified here. Colors have been specified. Background colors have been specified for this layout, and divisions. Okay. Wrapper class it is going to be ID called. The header, footers, specifications that you can able to make it. Okay. So I showed you that what happens if you are going to remove that header and all these things, right? Similarly, you have to specify the T header, T body, and all these things that you have to specify. So this is nothing but this is a table only. Only thing is that the layout in that it is being designed. Okay. You can create the spaces. So it is in left alignment, right alignment you can make it, center alignment you can make it. Okay. So extra space to right that you can able to specify by using the margin left, margin right. You can able to specify these things. Okay. Equal space also you can specify. Okay. And this is problem is that with the fixed layout approach, if you're going to reduce the size, see the first figure you can see here. First figure you can see from this point to this point it is there, correct? When you reduce it, this particular portion, okay, that is this particular portion will be not able to see. This particular portion here in this you will be not able to see. This is the problem with fixed layout. Okay. Liquid layouts is nothing but fluid layouts where you can flexibility that it is going to be there. According to that you can specify, and you can move also automatically that it is as per your requirement. The data is going to be moved here and there. Okay. The advantage of this liquid layout is going to be have the different browser sizes as per the browser size that it is going to be adjusted. Okay. So this is the main thing that it is about the liquid layout. So here is the example for that. You can see that here. Now this is the actual layout it is, correct? When it is enlarged, okay, so still that you can able to see. If it is getting reduced also you can able to see it. Okay, so here is the another example it is being given, responsive design under this. So you can see that here saying that here from this point to this point big layout is designed here, correct? So you are going to reduce it. You are going to reduce it here. Still you can able to see all the data here. Whatever the data is going to be here, same data that you can able to see here. Okay, and the same data you can able to see here also. Advantage. So here I am going to say that this is a 3-column layout. This is also 3-column layout. This is a 1-column layout. It is. This is also layout. This is also layout. This is also layout. But only thing is that it adjusts to the browser. It adjusts to the browser like that. The program has been designed. This is called as responsive design. Okay, I showed this one in the practical example. Okay. So I can say that this itself is one simple web page that have been created, we can say. Okay. Responsive design contains the four elements, that is the liquid layout, setting up the viewports in the by using the metadata. Then we have customizing the CSS with different viewports by using the media queries that I have already discussed in the program. Then scaling images to the viewport size. So these are the four important concepts. Means you can resize the things as per the requirement. Okay. Another example of the same thing that is being given here. So this is a big layout. This is a big layout. It is going to be here. From this point, it is going to start. Okay. Same thing. It is reduced here. We're going to get the same thing. No change in that. Only thing is that it is being reduced. Size here you can see 960 pixel. Here you can see 320 pixel. This browser screen is smaller. Okay. This is going to be the bigger, but still you can able to see it. That is the advantage of responsive design. Yes, another example of that same thing. Okay, so here it is a viewport is going to be given here. Okay, only that particular thing is going to be described here. Okay, small portion of this one is being described here. Then after again, so displays in the physical screen with the scaling, without scaling. So whatever that it is going to be there here, same thing that it was displayed here. Some advantages are going to be there with the responsive design. So media query, this is the important thing which I already discussed about this. Okay, media query is with this only that you will be going to get the responsive designs. Okay, at media query, media only screen and maximum width is 480. So you can change this one according to this, that it is going to changes. Okay. So 620 you can make it. Okay, 840 you can make it. So 480 you can make it. So anything that you wish that you can able to do that. Okay. Only thing is that the specification should match with the screen size. Defines the media query. This one. Okay. Only the use of this style. Okay. That particular style that is going to be used. Device has been set with the screen. Then use this particular format. Okay. Width for the viewport that it is going to be seen. Minimum it is going to mean to maximum that it is going to be seen. Then we have the CSS rules that is going to be get followed. So for to do this particular thing, to get this one we need that. To get this one we need that. To get this also we need that. Okay. So here also. So here especially. So for this we need this. We need this. We need. Only the thing is that media screen which I am shown example. So that is going to be present here. So those things that you can able to reflect in any of these things is what is saying. Okay. It is going to start with your mobile pads. Okay. Then even screens. Okay. Desktop screens, that it is going to change according to the format. This is the only format that you will be going to use it. Media at only screen and okay, minimum width. Okay, and maximum width specification is there. Okay. So here it is going to be different, 480. Okay, maximum width is going to be 100%. So 780, 769 pixels. Okay, so it is being specified here. Based on that, your data is going to be displayed. So this is a responsive design. So the changes with the data that it is going to changes. Okay, so colors you can able to specify in this. So as it is been said. So it's a one column, this is two columns, this is a three column, this is three column with the center, so that has been specified. Okay. No change in that. Okay. This is also similar to that. Okay. Here is a flexbox layout. This is also like this. Also, you can able to create the presentation of that data. Okay. So you can use this flex start, flex end, okay, corners. So these contents